Hello my friends! This time let's take a detailed look at this 2012 MazdaSpeed 3. It is the high-performance version of the compact Mazda 3, the same model sold in Europe as Mazda MPS, which stands for Mazda Performance Series. And now let's see what's inside. It is equipped with power locks, power windows, driver's side one-touch down feature, and power mirrors, Bose speakers, unique MazdaSpeed kickplate, Mazda 3 unique cloth and leather seats with red color contrast stitching, and now let's try to start the engine. Trip computer screen is on the top of the main panel. It is equipped with AM/FM radio, CD, MP3 player, and 265-watt Bose 10-speaker surround sound system. 6-speed manual transmission. Middle console integrated 2 cup holders with a cover. Middle console storage with 12-volt outlet and a iPod input, and a little tray on the top. It is leather trimmed with red color contrast stitching. Good size glove box. Turbo gauge is right in the middle. Leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio, cruise, and Bluetooth controls. And now let's open the hood and see the engine. This 2012 MazdaSpeed 3 equipped with 2.3-liter turbocharged and intercooled all-aluminum engine that produces 263 horsepower and 280 foot-pounds of torque. halogen headlights and fog lights. It is equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel disc brakes and anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, and torque sensoring conical limited slip differential. My height is 6'2" and I could not sit right behind myself, so I had to move driver's seat a little bit forward. Backseat collapsible armrest with integrated cup holders. '40/60 collapsible back seats. Hand jack is hidden behind this little door on the left. Cargo illumination on the right. Spare tire is hidden under the floor with integrated Bose amplifier. Unique MazdaSpeed3 spoiler. Alright guys, that was my short tour of 2012 MazdaSpeed 3. I hope you liked this video and see you next time.